Hello everyone, it's my pleasure having you once again on Newspaper Review here in First News Port Harcourt. I am your host, Kings Ojalo. Today we will be looking at every update and trendy stories on all newspaper platforms within and outside the country. Sit back, relax, take a cup of tea and go nowhere. Now we will be going straight to all headlines on the newspaper segment. First, we will be looking at the New Telegraph, where it's boldly written, Soludo re-election Anambra governor with 422,064 votes, INEC declares. You find that in page 2, 4, 5, 6, and 7 in the New Telegraph newspaper. Now, the next one we have NSCIA fourth targeted killing claims, says its agenda to destabilize Nigeria. Yes, you will find that in page 2, 5, and 8 of the New Telegraph newspaper. It's also boldly written on the New Telegraph, NASU to federal government, respect part, stop threatening us with no work, no pay. Yes, that is coming from NASU institution. So we'll be moving ahead to the next newspaper segment. Boldly written on the Daily Independent, we have Tinubu engaged regional bodies in security battles. Tinubu, that is the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, engaging the regional bodies in security battle. Then going straight to the Nigeria Tribune. To the Nigeria Tribune, we have Boko Haram ISWAP clash at Borno border, over 150 killed. Yes, Boko Haram ISWAP clash at Borno borders, over 150 killed. Then we have, we place high premium on stable power. That is coming from the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Tinubu. Now going to the Matrix. On the Matrix, boldly written on the Matrix newspaper, we have, why we declare silver wanted, why we declare silver wanted. That is coming from the EFCC. Yes, it has been a trending on the from the EFCC. You know, placed wanted tag of the former Bayelsa state governor. Now it's also written there, it is orchestrated hostility, politically motivated ex-governor is revealed. That you find that in page 3 of the Matrix newspaper. Now boldly written on the Matrix, we have Insecurity, Nigeria turns up it on ISWAP, Boko Haram. Yes, that is coming from the insecurity aspect of the Nigeria sector. Then we're looking other news on the Matrix newspaper. Tinubu assures of federal government full commitment to improve Nigeria power sector. You find that in page 13 of the Matrix newspaper. Now let's go straight to the Daily Trust. Yes, boldly written on the Daily Trust. Still again on bandit issues. We have a bandit attack 5 vehicles, abduct passengers in Kogi. Bandit attacks 5 vehicles, adopt passengers in Kogi. Now let's go straight to the Guardian newspaper. We have 33 years later, hope dims for safer pipeline suppliers of jet F1 to airport. 33 years later, hope dims for safer pipeline suppliers of jet A1 to airport. Now we also have boldly written, reps loud Tinubu intervention, payment of protesting contract. Still ahead on the Guardian's newspaper, we also have, again, court adjoins suit on PDP convention. Then we also have EFCC declares ex-governor Silva wanted for a large fraud. Now moving ahead to the Vanguard newspaper, boldly written on the Vanguard newspaper, NAF strikes kill terrorists, bandits in Borno, Kwara, Katsina, others. You find that in page 5 of the Vanguard newspaper. Now let's go to the Punch newspaper. Yes, Trump threats again. Trump has come out again with his threats. Troops burn terror base in key states. You find that in page 2 of the Punch newspaper. Now let's go straight to the This Day newspaper. Alleged 1 billion loan claim. Next Oil queries FBN Quest refusal to prove bank statements. Still boldly written on This Day newspaper, we have Tinubu move to fast track Siemens power project recommends to stable electricity. Yes. Now let's go straight to the nations. Yes, boldly written on the nations newspaper, we have airstrike kill terrorists in Borno, porn hideouts in Katsina and Kwara. Yes, we have PDP factions ask NGC to sanction Ibadan George. Yes, so we are going straight to the Daily Monitor. Boldly written on the Daily Monitor, we have Tinubu government not interested in fighting security that is coming from Babachel Awa. That is all we have on this segment on newspaper review here in First News. Thanks for being with us. I remain your host, Kings Ojalo. It's a bye for now.